Hello all and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to look at a 1917 Buffalo, or sometimes referred to as an Indian head nickel. So if we look at the reverse, there's a picture of an American buffalo. This one the coin's in good condition, but it's very dirty. It's 5 cents. I guess I should really say, for those who don't know what a nickel is, it's a 5 cent coin. So United States of America, got the Unum 5 cents. Picture of the buffalo. And the obverse has a picture of a Native American, the Liberty, and the date there, 1917. I mean, this is dirty, but it is quite a good condition coin. I don't know what the value of this is. I don't think it's very valuable. I think these are quite common. I think people do collect these though. I think there may be some rare ones or some rare dates. Not sure. I don't think this one's worth much. Probably slightly over face value maybe. It's a nice coin though. I like it. I like it. I like both sides actually. I like the design. Okay, so if you know anything more about these, please leave a comment below. I would be glad to hear some more information. And as always, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much. Until next time, speak to you later. Bye.